Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel English by Nisa. In this video we are going to discuss SSC Board English Exam Model Question Paper with solution for the year 2024 to 2025, which is prescribed by the Board of SSC Telangana State. So in this video we will discuss how to attempt SSC Board English question paper. So now let us see the pattern of English question paper. The total weightage given to the English paper in SSC board is 100 marks and the passing marks is 35. Now these 100 marks are divided into two sections. Like you have 80 marks in board exam question paper, like you can see here, which include part A and part B. Now the remaining 20 marks are based on the formative assessment, your internal marks. So as you can see here, this paper carries 80 marks and the time allocated is 3 hours to complete this paper. For part A they will give 2.5 an hour, and for part B they'll give you half an hour. Now if we talk about part A, as you can see here, part A consists of 60 marks and part B consists of 20 marks, that altogether carries 80 marks. Now under part A you will be having question number 1 to question number 16, which altogether carries 60 marks. So now let's begin the question paper reading. Here you can see these are the instructions given on the paper. First instruction is read the question paper carefully. Answer the questions under part A in the answer booklet provided. They will provide you answer booklet. There you need to write the answers for the part A questions. Directly you can write answers, no need to copy any question. And the third instruction, write the answers to the question under part B on the question paper itself. Here for part B, you need to write answers in the question paper itself, and you need to tie this part B along with the booklet. And here, avoid overwriting. You should not do overwriting. There will be negative marking for overwriting. Now let's begin the question paper reading. So here you can see the part A first, which consists of 60 marks, and this part A start with the reading comprehension, which is taken from the lesson of the textbook. As you people know, your textbook consists of 8 units. From those 8 units, any text you will get in the form of this comprehension passage. So this is last year paper 2024. The first bit, question number 1 to question number 4, there will be comprehension passage. Here what you have to do after reading the comprehension passage, you need to answer the following question in your answer booklet. Directly you can write answers. There would be 4 questions. Each question carry 3 marks. If you write all 4 questions, you would get 12 marks. Now here they have given instruction that in how many sentences you can write your answer. So in 3 or 4 sentences you can write your answer, but my suggestion is you should write 5 sentences. So here these are the questions which are based on the passage. You need to read the passage carefully and you need to answer the following questions. Here you cannot use your prior knowledge. You need to answer the question from the passage itself. Here I have solved this question paper. Let's see the answer of part A first bit. Question number 1 to 4. In this way, you need to answer the following questions. What did the conductor ask the passenger to do? Why? So here in this way, you have to write the answer from the passage. So here in this way, all question and answers I have written. You can see question number 5 to question number 8. Again, you will get comprehension passage. Now this passage either taken from the B reading or C reading of the textbook. As you people know, in your textbook you have 3 parts for each unit, A, B and C. For this second bit, you will get the passage from either B or C reading. Again, this bit include 4 questions. Each question carry 3 marks. If you answer 4 questions, you will get 12 marks. So here you can see this is a continuation of the passage. Now here are the questions of the given passage. Question number 5, 6 and 7. Here you need to answer for the following questions, 3 to 4 sentences, but my suggestion is you should write in 5 sentences. Question number 5, 6 and 7 are SAQs, and for question number 8, here you need to pick out the true statement according to the passage. So here they are asking you to pick out 3 true statements. That means you will get 3 marks if you pick out 3 statements. Here I have written the answers. They are directing you to write the answers in 3 or 4 sentences, but you can write in 5 sentences if you want to get full marks. And avoid overwriting and use the correct punctuations. You can see I have written all the answers. Now this pick out 3 true statements according to the passage. Here you can see these are the true statement 3 and these are the false statement according to the passage. Now let's see the question number 9 to 12. It is study skills which is asked out of the textbook. These are VSXQs or one line answers, you can say. You will get 4 questions again here, each carry 2 marks. So if you write 4 questions, then you will get 8 marks. Now here what type of questions you might get in this bit. Here you could get pie chart, a flow chart, or a table in which you will be having information, or a bar graph. Any information they will give you, and what you need to do, you need to study it carefully, then you need to answer the following questions. Here you can see these are 15 points. So here you can see question number 9 based on the information which they have given. Number 9 to 12, study the table carefully and answer the question given. Here you can see first question, what information does the table given us? So the table provided the information about various books which is related to different sports and including their authors, publication years, titles and publishers. So there are 15 entries in the list. And the sports covered in the list are cricket, football, hockey, tennis, and kabaddi. In this way, you need to answer. You may get pie chart, flow chart, bar graph, or the information table. This bit is related to grammar and vocabulary. Here, as you can see on the screen, here 4 questions are to be answered out of 6. You will get 6 questions. You can answer any 4 of the following. Each question carry 2 marks. If you write all 4 questions, you will get 8 marks. What you have to do in this bit? Here you can see you need to read carefully first of all this passage. Then you can see here the sentences in the passage are numbered from 1 to 6. These are Roman numbers. So here in the question they will direct you what you have to do to these underlined sentences. Question number 13 may consist of grammar topics like you can see on the screen: active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, degree of comparison, question tags, and combine the sentences using linkers. I have already uploaded this direct and indirect speech. You can go through the playlist. There you will find this direct and indirect speech and degrees of comparison, and this combine the sentences using linkers. So here they will underline some sentences and they'll ask you to do as directed. Here just they have underlined. Let's move to the next part. So here you can see they are directing here what you have to do for the questions. So here you can see in question number 13, the question number 1 is no sooner had the crow. So they have underlined question number 1. So you need to take that question, means underline part of the sentence, and to continue the sentence. Here, no sooner had the crow picked up the bread than he flew to a tree. In this way, you need to answer. You can see here all. Now let's see next question, which is question number 14, which is a creative writing. As you people know that you have to practice major and minor discourses. So as you can see on the screen, these are the discourses. These are major discourses which carry 10 marks, and these are minor discourses which carry 5 marks. In major discourses you would get choice, but in minor discourses you won't be getting any choice. So surely I will upload all these videos there. I will show you the formats from major discourses. Here you will get choice, one from textbook and one from out of the textbook. You have to answer any one out of two, which carries 10 marks. So in this discourse they are asking you to imagine you are the news reporter of NHK radio and write a possible interview script with Wangari Maathai. Or else you have choice here, you can write another discourse which is also carry 10 marks, because here you have choice, either you can write this or this one. So here what they are asking you, here they have given the information, and here they are asking you to write a news report giving the detail of the event. Again, number 14 is discourses, major discourses. Here in this question they are asking you to write an interview script. So here you can see in this way you need to write. Shortly I will upload the videos how you need to write the discourses, in which way, which format you need to follow to write the discourses. So here you can see you are a student, so you can write these headings, you will get marks for this. So in this way you need to write. There would be 6 or 7 exchange of each person. News report, this is also carry 10 marks. You will be having choice in major discourse, either that one or this one. Now let's see question number 15. It is minor discourses which is related to textbook topics, means textbook lessons, which carry 5 marks. Here you won't get any choice. Here you can see the information is given from the textbook lesson, that is Dear Departed. Here they are asking you to write a message. Here you can see. Here you can see they are asking you to write a message. So under this question, you could get write a message or a diary or a notice. Let's see the last question of part A, that is question number 16. It is also a minor discourse which carry 5 marks again, but it is not related to the textbook topics. Here they can ask you to prepare an invitation or a poster. Here you can see, here they are asking you to prepare a poster. Question number 15, you won't get choice. Here you need to write the answer. Here they are asking you to write a message. Here you can. Question number 16, here you need to write the poster. Here I have given the detail of the poster. You can draw a poster in your answer booklet. So now this is all about for part A. Now let's move to part B. Part B, this part of the question paper carries 20 marks, as you can see here. Let's read the instructions. Answer the questions on the question paper itself and attach it to the answer booklet of part A. That means you cannot carry this part B along with you. You need to attach this part B to the answer booklet of part A. And here again, you have to avoid overwriting. That means you cannot do any corrections after writing, because there would be negative marking for that. So here you can see question number 17 to question number 21. Here you would get a poem. Here you need to read the given poem carefully and answer the question that follows. This poem is not from your textbook, it is out of the text. Like here you can see, here you will get this poem. It is last year paper. So now the question is how you have to do this bit. See, these are 5 questions. Each question has 4 choices. So you have to choose the correct answer and write either A, B, C or D in the given brackets. Each question carry 1 mark. The total marks would be 5. These questions are related to the poem which they have given. Like here the word blue in the poem refers to what? River, sky, ocean or the tail of the kite. The answers of the poem. The word blue in the poem refers to the sky. The phrase then soars like a ship use literary device of simile, like because here we have like. In this way they will ask you question based on the given poem. Now let's see the next bit, question number 22 to question number 26. Again here you will get a passage. This passage will be given from the textbook lessons. Now here 5 sentences are numbered and each of them has an error. So you have to correct the errors and rewrite the correct answer in the space provided. Like here you can see, here they have provided the space for you. You can write your correct answer here. You need to rewrite the answers. So here in each sentence you would get an error. You need to correct that error. First of all you need to identify the error and then you need to correct the error. That is called error passage. This passage you will get from your textbook topics. You can see these are the correct answers. Here I have corrected those errors. Now in this error passage you could get the correction like grammar or punctuation. The answers you need to write in the space given in the question paper itself. Now let's see the next bit, that is question number 27 to question number 31. It is fill in the blanks. Each blank has numbered and has 4 choices, as you can see here. Number 27, here we have one blank and this 27 have 4 choices, so you need to choose the correct one. Like here you have A, B, C and D. So you need to choose the correct one among A, B, C and D and write in the given bracket. Now this bit also carry 5 marks. Each question carry 1 mark. If you write 5 questions, you will get 5 marks. So in this way you will get this bit. Number 27 to 31. Here you can see here you need to choose the correct answer. So here I have choose the correct answers. Now let's see the question number 32 to 36. It is the last question of the question paper. Here you are provided with the passage again with underline or number words. So what you have to do after reading the passage, you have to change each word as directed. Means here they will direct you what you have to do with the underlined words. Now you may get these questions from the given topics like meanings. They would ask you to write the meaning of the underlined word, or they could ask you to write the opposite of the words like antonym of the words or correct form of the words, or write a suitable words, or they could ask you to write the synonym of the underlined word or correct the spelling of the words. So from these topics you will get question for question number 32 to 36. You can see the passage here. They have underlined certain words and they have numbered them, and they will direct you in the questions what you have to do with the underlined words. So first question is write the meaning of the underlined word. That means here you can see the question number 32. Here they have underlined this word and they are asking you to write the meaning of the given word. Now next one, write the correct spelling of the underlined word. And the next one is peasant, the correct spelling. And here they are asking you to write the antonym or synonyms or the correct means suitable form of the word. This is all about part 2. So here under part A you would get question from question number 1 to question number 16. In part B you would get 4 bits, that question number 21 to question number 36. So this is all for today's video, SSC Board English Exam Model Question Paper. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.